Hello and welcome to That Suite. My name is Sarah Emery and today I'm going to show you how to lock PDFs generated in NetSuite so that they cannot be edited. Sending PDFs as email attachments is the most popular way to share transactional information to users outside of NetSuite, as the PDF format is easy to customize and is used worldwide. While PDFs are generally more challenging to modify than some other file types, they can still be changed by users with PDF editing software. Luckily, it's easy to configure advanced PDF templates in NetSuite to prevent changes from being made. I'm going to start by showing a PDF generated using the out-of-the-box configuration, which can be edited. So let me pop open my PDF editing software. So if I go into edit mode, what you'll notice is that I can come in and I can change the due date, or I can change the amount. Let's change this to $5,000. Or I can change the address, any other information that I want to update. Now let's jump into NetSuite and open the advanced PDF template that was used to generate this PDF file. So let me minimize this and go to Customization, Forms, Advanced PDF HTML Templates. I will open the PDF template that I used to generate that file. And then once this loads, in the head section, I'm going to paste in this little snippet of code, which I will also include in the description for this video. So you'll notice that this code is mentioning a password and I'm passing no value. This code could be used to require a password to view the PDF contents, which I'm actually going to cover in another video, but as it is, what this does is it prevents the user from editing the file. So I'm going to go ahead and save this change. And then I'm going to navigate back to my invoice record and print a new file. I'll download this. Now I'll go ahead and pop this open into my PDF editing software. And I will click the edit option. You'll notice that it did pop up a password box. Some software does not actually pop up a password box at all, but in this one it happens to. But you'll notice I don't need the password to actually view the document, so I can hit cancel and it will notify me that editing is not permitted. And you'll notice that I don't have the ability to, even if I try. This trick is a simple yet powerful way to make your PDFs more secure and make it harder for anyone who might be trying to make unauthorized changes to your transactional documents. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you have ideas about other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe for even more NetSuite tips, tricks, and helpful hints. I'll be back again next week with another video to help you live that sweet life.